Okay, anyway, this is our last song, and Joel's gonna help sing it. It's dedicated to all the girls. It's called Fuck the World. I'm hanging out with you tonight.
Reverend Jack laying half naked underground, bitten by a rattlesnake he bought from a traveling circus before it went down. He was honoring Jesus with his rattlesnake dance. Lord, couldn't you have given him one more chance? Bewildered Mary was part of the congregation too. She came flying down into the valley one day on a pale white horse with burning hooves. That's strange, said Reverend Jack. I didn't expect revelation to come so soon. Let's use that to enhance our message while we're pushing through. A knock upon the church house door. Standing in the acid rain was a figure in black none of them had seen before. Oh, is that you, Gabriel? Reverend Jack said. Would you like to come inside? Nah, my name is actually Satan, figure said. My business been going down for a while. So the three of them sat down in the dim, sharing a bottle of warm soy milk. Satan's eyes on Mary, caressing like soft Japanese vintage silk. I came here to end you, Satan said, and laughed in a peculiar way. But thing is, after having seen your game, I really don't know what to say. Than I ever did. I don't know how you do it, but you have some real guts. Heaven forbid. So I decided to leave it to you, and hell, I'm your biggest fan. You know, devilish fires ain't nothing to your systematic extermination plan. Devilish fire. So, 1995, devilish fire. So here we are, Reverend Jack on the ground, snake bitten and cold. How is it gonna go with apocalypse now when Mary's left to herself and alone? She took off into the city on the back of her pale white horse, on fire, pressing on for Armageddon to come. Satan, just a regular dude by her side, by her side.
Well, look who it is! It is Seeking Vegas Sunrise. Oh, you're trying to find us down there?
Yeah, but this took like a half hour.
Oh.
So let's grab a coffee, we'll surprise Marc.
Christina. Hey, Anthony. Are you guys going to be out here tonight?
Decided to skip our show tonight.
Oh, okay. We're going to be here for Tony tonight. Yeah. Well, get some rest, damn it. You've been partying the whole time.
Day 5.
Huh?
Day 5.
Day 5. Day 5 is staying up all night partying. Too funny, too funny.
Down there. Yeah, so far there's a total of 24 shows, and we're already down to 6 shows.
Very cool, very cool.
Yeah. Hey, new beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut. Played the game, made bank, moved G. Anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the swords.
Cool update. Still closed.
Also, these rooms overlook the pool area. So this is viewer video that we were sent today showing the shards of glass laying by the pool after this happened. And those shards were still there today as we walked through the hotel. Many guests were notified by the hotel that the pool would be closed today.
Still closed. Bummer to miss the pool this trip. This is a good one. We'll try this again. We keep getting interrupted. Take 72
It's day 5.
is our intro, midtro, outro. Going to meet Ocean and Blair for dinner.
If Blair made it in time.
If Blair made it.
We'll see Blair.
He wasn't flying the plane, so he can't.
No, in fact, he was
Control
pretty adamant
that.
about not having to fly the plane.
He was happy to be off today. So we're headed to Planet Hollywood to Gordon Ramsay Burger for dinner. We're hanging on by a thread. Sleepy tired.
Yeah,
Almost time to go home.
that's where we're at.
Covered. All covered. Hey, live your life while you can. Our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster. Isn't it lovely?
Pro tip. Huge line at Gordon Ramsay Burger,
Yeah.
but they take reservations now, which they didn't before.
Yeah,
So make a reservation, you don't have to wait in the line.
flip this around. Let's show the people why you make reservations.
I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Like, yeah, 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 yeah,
Oh Lord, I gotta get back in the tubing. What is that?
It's this, so you can lay and float on that. That works out.
We'll just say two minds think alike. I don't know about great.
So take it from me, I got some places I should take you to see. You know it's easy when you ride with a G. Light speed, moving fast through the city, trying to find me some peace. I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be. Still I got some trust issues, people lie through their teeth. The more I grew, the more they hide in the crease. Squad building, weak members get released. If we trying to compete, starting pitchers need relief. Bro, we building a team, everybody got a niche. I've been known to play mine to a T, but it's time for me to lead. Picking dirt right out the cleats. Steep path, roadblocks in the streets, trying to knock me off my feet, cause the devil never sleeps. So I don't sleep too, and trying to breach safes that I didn't have the keys to. We all been victims of trauma we ain't agreed to, but the sun comes after, starting up a new chapter. Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Yeah, 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 yeah. Isn't it lovely?
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
Day 6.
Day 6.
Sleepy tired.
So tired.
Didn't sleep at all. Our schedules are so messed up right now.
Anyways, this was a good trip.
So tired. It was a really good trip. A lot of fun.
Shit was fun.
A good time. Punk rock bowling was amazing.
Everything we did was pretty much top notch.
Seeing the peoples was amazing.
Yeah, like, it really worked out this time. Everything worked out.
The scheduling worked out really well. We made it to almost everything on our list.
Yes.
And our list was packed this trip.
There'll be some kind of ticker.
Yeah, I think maybe we didn't make it to 2 things.
Yeah.
And like one was a show that started at 1 a.m. And then last night's show we didn't make it to because we were showed out. But it was a really good trip.
Mm-hmm.
Happy birthday to this guy.
Yeah, this will be out
2 days.
way after my birthday.
2 days.
Yeah. But yeah, we went, what, 6 days? Didn't touch one slot machine.
Didn't try to go home.
Just to prove you can do anything in Vegas.
Yeah, we paced ourselves. We did a lot, but we paced ourselves. We took naps. Naps are key.
That's how we roll.
Yeah.
Anyways, my arm's getting tired.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Driver's
Gotta
here.
go home. Gotta go get Pavito.
But yeah,
So tired.
we will see you at
Thanks
sunrise.
for coming along with us.
We will see you. See you at sunrise.
See you at sunrise.
Adios.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoney, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine.